YouTube, welcome back. How you doing? And I hope you are all fine during this COVID time. And today I am back with another watch review, but this time this is a micro brand, and the watch company is RZE Watches, and it's a really nice micro brand that I have come across because one of my friends in my Bombay Watch Enthusiast group circle has given me this opportunity to review this watch. So here it is. So this particular model is the RZE, or if you can say the RZE Endeavour model with a medallion yellow dial. And the best feature of this watch is that it's completely made of titanium here, and that's something really nice, something really lightweight yet very strong and robust watch in my hands right here, if you can say it. So let's go to the features of the watch. The watch features a 40.5 mm case with 12.5 mm thickness. The machining of the case is very futuristic kind of, not those round and round, but really a good quality cut case. And I think that the sharpness of the case edges and the overall feature, the machining really gives it a very nice futuristic look and something to look beyond the all the general brands and switching over to a micro brand. So I think this is something a really well done watch, as how it should be. The lug to lug distance here is 46 mm, and the lugs are really very nicely done, I can say that. The strap width that fits here is 20 mm, though here the bracelet is also titanium and the end link is really well made, and the entire bracelet link complements the overall look of the watch. And the good brushed finish of the overall case as well as the bracelet is really well done. You cannot see any flaw in the finishing. I think that they have really done a fantastic job doing this. So the weight of this particular watch is around 100 to 110 gram with the bracelet itself, and it is really something to look for. It's quite good, really good, and I am really loving this. So let me tell you that the specification of the titanium here along with the coating is that it features a ultra hex coating with 1200 HV hardness, or this is the Vickers scale hardness, and if you try to convert it into Rockwell hardness, as some of you may be the metallurgists, so it comes really very hard coating and very scratch resistant coating. Now let's go to the case back. The case back also here features a solid titanium case back with a screw down type of case back. It's really quite good. It's really good. It has mentioned the movement, the water resistance and everything, and a very minimalistic case back. The crown here is a screw down type of crown, and I can see that it has been a very good signature crown here. The logo of the RZE monogram of the RZE watches, and the two-tone finish of the crown is also something, and the crown is really comfortable here. I think that it has an overall a very well built watch. Oh my goodness, I think I should really get one before the stocks run out, though I have to return it to my friend, but I am looking forward to buy one as well. So it's really good. The watch here features a date window at 3 o'clock, and this is a really well framed date window with a hexagon kind of cut here, and I really think that it is something that catches your eye, that catches your eye. The finish on the dial is sand finish, and if you can see the texture here of the dial, it is really beautiful done, and it is really good. The watch houses a Seiko NH35 movement, or sorry, the NH38A movement in the no date one, and NS35A movement with the date one. So this one is the NS35A movement, automatic movement. Really well done. The crystal here is the sapphire crystal with inner side super anti-reflective coating that gives this watch a really nice look, a crisp dial complement, and something to you can really photograph and have a good wrist shot without getting any reflections. So this is really something good. The gasket inside the case back here is the white on gasket that gives a really good water resistance and excellent integrity of the caseback as well, and that is, I think that the overall watch is really a bang for buck, I would say. Now let us come to the loom. As you have already seen in the video preface, that the loom comprises of really good complement of Super Luminova C3 and BGW 9 loom, and the 12 o'clock has really nice combination of blue and green loom all together. It gives a really nice look. If you want to rerun the video and see all those high quality, high definition, high quality videos that I have taken and I have put in the beginning of the video, that is something you should see. So this is the overall fit and finish of the watch. You can see from all the sides. The buckle on the bracelet has also a two-tone marking of the RZE monogram here, and the overall fit and finish is really nice. So I cannot wait to show you how it looks on the wrist, because I think that 40.5 mm watch really does a great job sitting on your wrist, and I will really put it on right now here, and I will show you how it looks. Actually, I will fit it, and here have a look. It sits really well on the wrist, a really good and well made watch, and I think I should congratulate the watch designer whomsoever has done this. And I think that they should, as per the name of the watch, Endeavor, I think that they really have put their endeavor in this and has come up with a really nice well made micro brand watch. So it's really good. But the best news about this watch, and that too for my Indian subscriber and people who are living in Indian mainland or neighboring countries, that they have an authorized distributor in India as well, and I have put all the links, emails and everything of the authorized distributor, who is a Mumbai based person, in the description below. Please mail him and see to it that if he has any stock, he may give it to you. He may sell it to you immediately if he has any ready stock. Go contact him. I think that I should also contact him in near future to get this or some another color combination of the dial of this particular model itself. So this is something really nice. So this was it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a really nice look at the dial again, if you seem it fit to get one for yourself. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. And this was the RZE Endeavor watch, a good micro brand and a really affordable at price point of $469. So go ahead. I think this is really a bang for buck. I have been never happy to review such a good watch, and that too after a very long time. So stay tuned for more updates, and definitely visit the AD of this particular watch. I think you will definitely leave satisfied from that place with this particular watch in your hand. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.